Now the problem based on addition formula or the concept, that is formula used for allied numbers. The first problem is evaluate 120 degree. Sorry, evaluate cos of 120 degree. So as cos of 120 degree can be written in the form of allied formula, that is 90 degree plus 30 degree, that is 90 degree plus theta. So cos of 90 degree plus theta. So remaining all the concept in mind, on 90 degree cos becomes sine, and 90 degree plus theta, that is in second quadrant, cos becomes negative. That is negative sine 30. Value of sine 30 is half. So cos of 120 degree is minus half. So the next problem is evaluate sine 13 pi over 4. That is sine 13 pi over 4. Then divide 13 by 4. We get 3 pi plus pi by 4. That is 2 pi plus pi by 4. So if we see, we have 2 pi plus theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta is in fourth quadrant, that is in first quadrant, then remain positive and sine remains sine. So we get sine pi plus pi by 4. Now what about sine pi plus theta, that is in third quadrant? Sine becomes negative and because of pi it remains same. Minus sine pi by 4 and sine pi by 4 with the value 1 by root 2. So we get sine 13 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. Now the next problem is evaluate 2 secant minus 7 pi by 4. 2 secant minus 7 pi by 4 is equal to 2 times secant pi by 4, because secant of minus theta is secant theta. So secant of 2 secant of 7 pi by 4 is equal to 2 times secant. It becomes 2 pi minus pi by 4, that is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is the home quadrant of secant, so it remains positive, and as on 2 pi there is no t ratio change. So we get 2 secant pi by 4, and value of secant pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 is root 2. So we get the value of 2 secant minus 7 pi by 4 is secant pi by 4 value is root 2, not 1 by root 2. It is a value of cos. So we get 2 into root 2 is a value of 2 secant minus 7 pi by 4. Actually cos pi by 4 is with the value 1 by root 2, and secant is a reciprocal, so we can have the value root 2. Now the next problem is, that is a problem number 4. Evaluate sine theta plus pi by 2 over cos theta minus pi by 2 plus tan pi by 2 minus theta over cot 2 pi plus theta. So first of all we will see in which quadrant that function lies. That is, first is pi by 2 plus theta. Sine lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant is the hometown of sine. So there will be positive sign, and as pi by 2 sine change into cos over, that is cos theta minus pi by 2. First of all we will make the standard form, that is pi by 2 minus theta. The next is tan pi by 2 minus theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta, that is in first quadrant, so it is positive, and tan change into cot. We get cot theta. And cot 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta again in first quadrant, and add 2 pi, no t ratio change, so it becomes cot theta. So we get cos theta over, that is cos of minus theta is cos theta plus 1. And now cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta by Crowdy or by using the concept. So we get all over, the solution of that problem is cot theta plus 1. So the next problem is evaluate cos 10 pi over 3 into sin 11 pi over 6 plus sin 2 pi over 3 into cos 5 pi over 6. So we have to find the value of this, that is equation that is related to cos and sin function with a different angle. So we have cos 10 pi over 3 sin 11 pi over 6 plus sin 2 pi over 3 cos 5 pi over 6. That is, as divide 10 by 3. So we get 3 pi plus pi by 3, and in sin we will get, that is 11 pi, that is 12 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi minus pi by 6 plus sin 2 pi, that is 3 pi minus pi, that is pi minus pi by 3 plus into cos, that is 5 pi, that is 6 pi minus pi, that is again pi minus pi by 6. So by using the concept, cos 3 pi plus pi by 3, it can be written as 2 pi plus pi plus 3 first of all. Sin 2 pi minus theta, that is negative sin theta, that lie in fourth quadrant. And on 2 pi no t ratio change. On pi no t ratio change, and pi minus theta is in second quadrant. So it becomes sin pi over 3. And cos pi minus pi by 6, it again lie in second quadrant. And here cos is negative. So cos pi by 6. Cos 2 pi plus theta, that is in first quadrant, then cos remain cos. Cos pi plus, that is pi by 3. So in not 3, it is pi by 3. Make it correct. And minus sin pi by 6, it becomes minus at the front, and plus minus minus cos pi by 6 sin pi by 3. So again cos pi plus theta, that is in third quadrant. Third quadrant is cos negative, and on pi it remains same. So negative cos pi by 3 into sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6 into sin pi by 3. So we get cos pi by 3 sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6 sin pi by 3. Then cos A sin B minus sin A cos B. So it is cos A plus B. Rather no, this cos A sin B sin A cos B. That is sin of A, that is sin pi by 6 minus B, that is pi by 3. So we get sin minus pi by 6. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So sin pi by 6 is the value of sin 30 degree. So it is half. So it is minus half. So the result is minus half. Now the next problem is decide whether the given number is positive or negative. So see here, that is sin 130 degree plus cos 130 degree. So if we see, how can we check out? So we will make these two functions in one form, and we can write sin 180 minus 50 degree. It will again remain sin, that is sin 50 degree. And we have to change cos into sin, so it will be changed on the angle 90 degree or 270 degree. So on 90 degree it becomes 90 plus 40 degree. It becomes, that is cos 90 plus theta, that is in second quadrant, becomes minus sin 40 degree. So we get sin 50 degree minus sin 40 degree. Now we can relate these two problems very easily. So as sin is increasing in first quadrant, therefore, and also 50 degree is greater than 40 degree. That means sin 50 degree is greater than sin 40 degree. That means sin 50 degree minus sin 40 degree is greater than 0. That means sin 50 degree minus sin 40 degree greater than 0. That means it is positive. So the given number gives the result positive. So this is the positive number. So if we have to compare such type of problem, then we have to convert both the problem in minimum angle and in the same trigonometric ratio so that we can get the related answer.